viewers, welcome to Risharaj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue exercise 6.2 of triangle chapter, which is from mathematics of class 10. From this exercise, already we have completed 6 sums. 6 problems we have already completed. So in this video, we are going to continue with problem number 7 and problem number 8. So without wasting time, straight away, let's move to problem number 7. Here, the problem number 7 says, using theorem 2.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to the another side bisects the third side. And here they have given us the hint that recall that you have proved it in class 9. Means here they want to recall our midpoint theorem. It is something like midpoint theorem. The first requirement to solve this question is the correct figure. So let's draw the required figure to solve this problem. So here this is the required figure. So what they say, that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side, D is midpoint of AB, a line is drawn through this midpoint of AD parallel to another side, means this DE is parallel to BC, bisects the third side. Bisects the third side means we have to show that DE, which is drawn through midpoint of AB parallel to BC, bisects AC. It's very simple. Let's start with the proof of this question. Now here the given information is D is midpoint of AB and DE is parallel to BC, and from this we have to prove that E is midpoint of AC, means DE bisects AC. Let's start with the proof. Now here in triangle ABC, the most important information what we have is DE is parallel to BC. So in this triangle, DE is parallel to BC. Now when we have one line parallel to one side of the triangle, our BPD says that this line divides the two sides of the triangle in same proportion. So therefore, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. This is by BPD. Okay. Now one more important information we have, that D is midpoint of AB. Now if D is midpoint of AB, AD is equal to BD. Here D is midpoint of AB and therefore AD is equal to BD, and therefore AD upon BD is equal to 1. Now if AD upon BD is equal to 1, therefore AE upon CE is also equal to 1. And if AE upon CE is equal to 1, therefore AE is equal to CE. And if AE is equal to CE, this means E is midpoint of AC. Therefore, we can say that E is midpoint of AC. It was so simple, so easy, and one important question from this exercise. So this is how we completed our next question. Now let's move to question number 8. Now question number 8 says, using theorem 2.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. Recall that you have done in class 9. Now here we can say it's converse of midpoint theorem. So again, let's draw the required figure to solve this problem. what they say, that a line is drawn passing through midpoints of two sides of the triangle. Means D is midpoint of AB, A is midpoint of AC. And we have to prove that DA is parallel to BC. So let's start to solve this sum. Now here the given information is D is midpoint of AB and E is midpoint of AC, and from this we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, let's start proof of this sum. Now here D is midpoint of AB. Okay, D is midpoint of AB. Now if D is midpoint of AB, AD is equal to BD. Therefore, AD is equal to BD. And if AD is equal to BD, AD upon BD is equal to 1. We'll mark this as statement 1. Now, let us move to AC. Now here they have given that E is midpoint of AC. Okay, now if A is midpoint of AC, AE is equal to CE. Therefore, AE is equal to CE, and therefore AE upon CE is equal to 1. Let us mark this as 2. Now AD upon BD is equal to 1. AE upon CE is also equal to 1. So from 1 and 2 what we get? We get AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. We get this from 1 and 2. Now what we can conclude from this? AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. Means this line DE is dividing the sides of the triangle, that is AB and AC, in same proportion. So this is the reason why DE is parallel to BC. This is what is converse of BDT. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. Converse of BPT. That's it. Even this sum was quite simple. We have completed 8 problems from this exercise. 2 more problems are remaining, and those 2 problems we will continue in our next video. And to get the updates of that video, you have to subscribe our channel. And please don't forget to share this video among your friends. My dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.